Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Rust code in VS Code. Start by installing RustUp, the official Rust toolchain installer. This essential step provides the Rust compiler, cargo, and other vital tools. Once RustUp is installed, confirm that Visual Studio Code is set up on your machine. Then, open VS Code and head over to the Extensions view, which is easily accessible from the sidebar. This initial setup ensures your environment is ready for seamless Rust development. Next, within the VS Code Extensions view, search for Rust Analyzer. This is the cornerstone extension for Rust development in VS Code, offering robust language support. Install the official Rust Analyzer extension to gain features like intelligent code completion, real-time error checking, and automatic code formatting. It significantly enhances your coding experience, making Rust development much more efficient and enjoyable right within your editor. Now, let's create your first Rust project. Open your terminal or command prompt and use the cargo command, cargo new my project. Replace my project with your desired project name. Cargo will generate a new directory containing a basic Rust project structure, including a src folder and a cargo toml file. After creation, navigate into this new project directory using your terminal. Finally, open your newly created Rust project folder directly in Visual Studio Code. You'll see the src folder containing main rs. Open this file to view the default Hello World code. To execute your code, open the integrated terminal in VS Code. Type cargo run and press enter. Cargo will compile and run your program, displaying its output directly within the terminal. This is the most straightforward way to run your Rust code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.